The deep, murky waters of the river conceal forgotten stories, remnants of a bygone era.
A powerful magnet descends into the unknown, a silent hunter seeking echoes of the past.
The first sign of a catch, the Vitnin, a subtle tension, a promise of discovery.
Slowly, painstakingly, the hidden artifact begins its ascent from the depths.
Revealed at last, Poon, a relic consumed by time, a testament to its long slumber.
A careful transfer, preserving every fragile detail of its decayed state.
The journey from the wild to the workshop begins, a promise of revival.
Through winding roads, the silent passenger makes its way to its new destiny.
Arrival at the Sanctuary of Restoration. The workshop awaits. The first glimpse of its future, Mauser. A clean, organized space ready for transformation.
The Mauser, a silent testament to its past, now rests upon the workbench, awaiting its thorough examination. A preliminary assessment reveals the extent of its degradation, a solid block of time's relentless embrace.
The barrel, once a conduit of power, now sealed by layers of corrosion and debris.
The wooden stock, if present, shows signs of decay, water damage, and the passage of decades.
Every screw, every pin, fused by corrosion, presenting a formidable challenge.
The bolt assembly, a solid mass of rust, resists any attempt at manipulation.
Initial measurements and observations are meticulously recorded, the first step in planning the restoration.
The weight of history, the promise of revival, now laid bare on the bench.
The diagnosis is clear: a complete overhaul, a journey from decay to dazzling.
The first crucial step, separating the wooden stock from the metal, a delicate operation.
With gentle persuasion, the corroded components begin to yield, one by one. The guard and magazine plate, often fused, require careful leverage. Each screw, a battle won against the grip of time and corrosion.
The barrel bands, often stubborn, are carefully slid off, revealing the barrel's condition.
The front sight, a small but significant component, is detached.
The bayonet lug, a historical attachment point, is removed for individual treatment.
Each external piece, now separated, awaits its individual journey of transformation.
The main metal body, stripped of its external layers, reveals deeper corrosion.
The first phase of disassembly complete, preparing for the intricate internal work.
With the external components removed, the intricate internal mechanisms of the Mauser are now accessible, though still seized by corrosion.
The bolt assembly, a complex piece of engineering, requires careful extraction.
After much effort, the bolt begins to move, a small victory against the rust.
The bolt fully extracted, revealing its own layers of corrosion and internal components. Disassembling the bolt itself, a miniature puzzle of springs and pins.
The firing pin and spring, vital for function, are carefully extracted. Each small component, once part of a whole, now isolated for individual attention.
The main receiver and barrel, now completely stripped,
reveal the full extent of internal corrosion.
The Mauser fully disassembled, a collection of corroded parts, ready for the arduous cleaning process. The journey to reclaim the metal begins with a powerful chemical bath, dissolving decades of rust.
Bubbles rise, carrying away the corrosion, revealing glimpses of the metal beneath.
After the bath, a thorough rinse removes all chemical residue and loose debris.
For stubborn areas, a wire wheel aggressively attacks the remaining rust and grime.
Smaller, intricate parts receive meticulous attention with specialized brushes. The bore, once blocked, is carefully reamed and brushed to remove internal corrosion.
Compressed air blasts away any remaining loose particles, ensuring a clean surface.
The transformation begins, from a solid block of rust to bare, pitted metal. Each component, now stripped to its core, awaits the next stage of refinement.
The heavy cleaning complete, the true form of the Mauser begins to emerge from the shadows of decay.
The wooden stock, a silent witness to the rifle's past, now demands its own meticulous care. Old finishes and ingrained grime are carefully stripped away, revealing the raw wood beneath.
A thorough cleaning removes deep-seated dirt and prepares the wood for repair.
Cracks and imperfections are meticulously filled, restoring the stock's structural integrity.
The first pass of sanding begins, smoothing the surface and blending repairs.
Refining the contours, ensuring a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing grip.
The wood's natural grain begins to re-emerge, hinting at its inherent beauty.
Dust is meticulously removed, preparing the surface for the next stage of treatment.
The prepared stock, now clean and smooth, awaits its finishing touches.
A pause in the wood's journey as the metal takes center stage for its transformation.
The raw, pitted metal begins its arduous journey to perfection, starting with coarse grit sanding.
Each stroke removes imperfections, slowly revealing the true form of the steel.
The deeper pits, remnants of severe corrosion, require focused attention and careful filing.
Progressing through grits, the surface becomes increasingly refined, losing its rough texture.
The contours of the receiver are meticulously shaped, restoring its original lines.
Small, intricate parts receive the same dedicated attention, ensuring uniformity.
A final pass with a finer grit, erasing all previous marks, leaving a uniform, matte surface.
The metal, now uniformly sanded, is ready for the next stage, the transformative power of polishing.
From rough and pitted to smooth and refined, the Mauser is one step closer to its mirror-polished destiny.
The moment of truth arrives. The metal, now smooth, is ready to reveal its inner brilliance through the art of polishing.
The first pass with a coarse polishing compound begins, bringing out the initial sheen.
The mirror finish emerges, reflecting the workshop lights with increasing clarity.
Every curve and flat surface receives meticulous attention, ensuring a flawless reflection.
The barrel, a long and challenging surface, is polished to a brilliant sheen.
Small components, once dull and corroded, now shine with renewer life.
A final buffing with a soft cloth removes any residue, enhancing the brilliance.
The Mauser's metal components, transformed, now possess a breathtaking, flawless mirror finish.
The cold, hard steel now gleams with a warmth and depth, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
With the metal gleaming, attention returns to the wooden stock, ready for its protective and beautifying finish.
The first coat of oil is applied, soaking into the wood, deepening its color and revealing its grain.
Each stroke nourishes the wood, building layers of protection and luster.
Excess oil is carefully wiped away, leaving a smooth, satin finish.
Subsequent coats are applied, building depth and resilience, enhancing the wood's natural beauty. The checkering or grip patterns are meticulously cleaned and enhanced. The restored wooden stock, a perfect complement to the gleaming metal, awaits reunification.
A harmonious blend of natural beauty and refined craftsmanship.
Both elements, individually perfected, now stand ready to be united once more.
With the mechanical polishing complete, the metal undergoes a final chemical refinement to achieve its ultimate mirror brilliance and protection.
Every surface must be pristine, free of any oils or contaminants, for the chemical process to be effective.
A specialized polishing compound is applied, designed to enhance the mirror finish at a molecular level.
The compound is worked into the surface, bringing out an even deeper, more vibrant luster.
A final, meticulous wipe down removes all residue, leaving a flawless, gleaming surface.
For long-term preservation, a transparent protective coating is carefully applied.
The coating cures, forming an invisible shield against future corrosion and fingerprints.
The Mauser's metal components, now perfected with a deep, enduring mirror finish, are ready for assembly. Each piece reflects light with breathtaking clarity, a testament to the meticulous process.
The ultimate mirror finish achieved, a dazzling transformation from riverbed relic to gleaming masterpiece.
Attention turns to the smallest, yet equally vital, components: the screws, pins, and springs.
Each screw is meticulously cleaned and polished, ensuring smooth operation and aesthetic perfection.
Springs are inspected for integrity, cleaned, and lightly oiled for optimal function. Any worn or damaged small parts are carefully replaced with period-correct alternatives.
The extractor, crucial for reliable cycling, is cleaned and polished to perfection.
The firing pin, a critical component, is carefully cleaned, polished, and checked for straightness.
Each tiny piece, now restored, contributes to the overall integrity and beauty of the Mauser.
Organized and ready, these miniature marvels await their place in the grand assembly.
The painstaking restoration of the smallest details ensures the Mauser's complete revival. The journey of restoration culminates in the meticulous process of reassembly, bringing life back to each component. Each pin and spring finds its place, restoring the intricate mechanics of the bolt.
The reassembled trigger assembly is carefully returned to its place in the receiver.
The barrel bands and sights are reattached, their polished surfaces gleaming.
Each screw is tightened with precision, ensuring structural integrity without over-tightening.
The bayonet lug, now a gleaming detail, is reattached to its historical position. Sub-assemblies complete, the Mauser's core components are now fully functional and gleaming.
The moment of reunification. The gleaming metal meets the rich, restored wood.
The main screws are gently inserted, drawing the two halves together in perfect harmony.
A final check of all screws and fittings, ensuring everything is perfectly secure.
The trigger mechanism is tested for crispness and responsiveness.
The safety mechanism is engaged and disengaged, confirming its flawless function.
The rifle's action is cycled repeatedly, ensuring perfect feeding and extraction.
A final wipe down removes any fingerprints or dust, preparing for its grand reveal. From a corroded relic to a gleaming masterpiece, the Mauser is reborn. The Mauser, a testament to enduring craftsmanship, stands ready for its ultimate test.
In a controlled environment, the Mauser's functionality is put to the test, a final validation of its meticulous restoration.
The bolt cycles smoothly, chambering around with satisfying precision.
A deep breath, a moment of anticipation, as history prepares to echo once more.
The crisp click of the trigger, followed by the powerful report, a testament to its revived spirit. The action cycles flawlessly, ready for the next shot, proving its reliability.
The target reveals the precision, a confirmation of its restored accuracy. Back in the workshop, the Mauser receives its final inspection, gleaming under the lights.
Every curve, every line, a testament to the journey from decay to dazzling perfection.
Reflections dance across its surface, a symphony of light and restored history. The Mauser, reborn, a forgotten relic, now a timeless masterpiece, ready to inspire for generations.